Good day mga sir. This is how to modification old karaoke Sharp.
Yes.
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting.
Kahit po yung mga lumang karaoke natin dyan, Sharpman or Sony, no problem to modification. It's good audio system, good amplifier. We use amplifier. So this one useless, sabi ng may-ari, pero gumagana to. Sira lang yung volume control. So sabi ng may-ari, modification for Bluetooth. So kontrata. So buhay yung amplifier good, nice what you call this one, audio system. Masabi ko lang na maganda yung audio system niya kasi napatugtog ko na. Maganda yung tugtog. Nice sounds. I already tested. So para makaintindi po yung ibang lahi, how to convert old karaoke system into a Bluetooth amplifier without touching the panels, without removing any panel. So we put only at the top, because we don't waste time, or we don't any modification, or hindi natin to gustong mapangit to. We don't make this one ugly. So only we put here Bluetooth at the top. So ito ginamit natin mga sir. We use this one karaoke volume, because this one is good. The volume control is still working, and the auxiliary button, keyboard still working, and the auxiliary button still working, and the crop equalizer. When you make audio here, when you make input here, it's working. So this is the wiring inside. Explain ko lang po in the English para maintindihan ng ibang lahi, para nila maglagay ng subtitle na at nakakapagod mag-edit. So this is the one at the front for the what do you call this one, for the input of the auxiliary or a keyboard, or for the piano or DVD or anything else. The side at the brown cable we put on the ground, and this one is positive, left or right, no problem. So we make connection there. So that's all inside, and we put the connection positive minus in our new Bluetooth. You can buy this in Shopee or Lazada. Here in Philippines, a lot of this one. So we put only the connection in the tweeter, not on the bus. At the back, you can see at the back, there is two connection for the bus and for the tweeter or mid-range. So we put in the mid-range or the tweeter connection, plus minus, that is the output of our Bluetooth. So connected already there, connected on the, yeah, it's connected. So that's it. You can play now this one. So we make video later. What's the result of this modification? I will edit. No need to remove any devices inside. Alright, so pasensya na mga sir na ini-English ko lang yun nga, para may mga subscriber din kasi tayo ng ibang lahi. So in-English na rin natin. Nakakatamad po magpindot ng subtitles. Alright. Tayo naman mga Pinoy, nakaka-adjust naman tayo eh. So yung amplifier is good. So bibidyohan ko na. Bago kayo sa sarado, bibidyohan ko na. Before I will close this one, I will make a video. What's the sounds he made. Alright. So we test one for the karaoke and one for the Bluetooth. So we make Okay, power on. And this you can pull the volume here, control the Bluetooth, and the bass you can pull, and the treble maybe quarter. Yeah, so be careful here guys. It's that Bluetooth is a lot of the audio already, incoming audio inside your karaoke. So you need to adjust here a little bit volume, the main volume of your keyboard, because we connect here. So a little bit only, and power on. See, a lot. So it's already connected to my Bluetooth. You heard this big the weather song, huh? The test. Wait.
Credit to the owner of this sound effects.
All right.
Special thanks to the Techno Bass for using his best sounds. This is now the final results.